How to identify a fake email from Bank of Montreal online banking. In order to identify a fake email from Bank of Montreal online, what you want to do is, first thing first, the email claiming your account will be suspended or restricted unless you act immediately. What you have to do is basically look for urgent, threatening language demanding personal information, generic greetings like "Dear Customer," spelling errors and suspicious sender address, or link that do not lead to BMO.com. So basically, you want to make sure to go ahead and check all this information before you actually open up or tap onto the link. And you also want to make sure that do not tap onto any sort of suspicious link or emails that has been sent by any other users. And you also want to make sure to check if they're requesting for sensitive information like login credentials, credit card number, or personal identification as well. Likewise, emails that do not address you by name, example valued client, you can just make sure that this is or consider it to be a fake email as well. And in order to protect yourself, if you receive a suspicious email, do not click any link. Instead, you want to go to the official BMO website or use the mobile app to check your account as well. You could also report phishing. So forward suspicious email as an attachment to phishing@bmo.com, then delete them as well. These are some of the indications, or this is how you're supposed to identify a fake email from BMO online banking. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.